In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted your interaction with ChatGPT to feel more like a natural conversation and less like typing back and forth, this quick guide will show you exactly how to switch on voice and start chatting hands-free. When you're in ChatGPT, look at the message bar where you'd normally type. On the far right side of that bar, you'll see a small voice or microphone icon. That's your gateway to voice conversations. Click that icon and you're ready to go. From this point on, you can choose to speak to ChatGPT using your own voice, or continue typing if that feels more comfortable. Either way works, and you can move between speaking and typing whenever it makes sense for you. Once voice is active, ChatGPT will respond to you with a voice instead of simply showing text on the screen. Think of it like a back and forth chat where you say something, it speaks back, and the flow continues naturally. You can ask questions, request explanations, or give instructions just as you would in a normal conversation. If you prefer, keep your sentences concise at first. That helps the system catch your main idea quickly. Pausing briefly between thoughts also gives it a clean point to start responding. Clarity always helps. If you have a specific outcome in mind, say it plainly. For example, summarize this in 2 sentences, or explain this like I'm new to the topic. If something isn't quite right, just rephrase or add a bit more detail and ChatGPT will adjust. You don't need to restate everything from the beginning. Simple follow-ups like make that shorter, use friendlier language, or add an example work well and keep the rhythm of the conversation. You'll typically see the words appear on screen as ChatGPT speaks, which makes it easy to skim or reference details later. If you're in a quieter spot, you can speak more softly. In a busier space, try speaking a little closer to your device so your voice stands out. It's also helpful to minimize background chatter while you're giving a longer instruction. Finally, remember that voice makes it easy to move quickly, so take a moment to think about what you share. Keep personal or sensitive details out of the conversation, just as you would in any public setting, and that's all there is to it. Click the voice icon on the right side of the text bar, talk naturally, and enjoy hearing ChatGPT reply out loud. Have fun exploring and happy chatting.